Hello everyone! Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. For today po ay tuturuan ko kayo ng step-by-step procedure on how you are going to go live using Streamyard application. So please watch the full video. First thing that we have to do is to launch our Streamyard application. So kung wala pa kayong Streamyard application, you can easily log in using the link below in our description box. Okay, so after that, pag na-launch na si Streamyard, ito yung makikita natin. Click on create a broadcast, and then it will prompt you to choosing saang destination ninyo gustong ilagay itong broadcast natin. So for me, naka-default na dito yung sa aking YouTube channel. And then, let's just fill up the title and description para sa ating broadcast. Alright? And then for the privacy setting, it can be public, unlisted, or private. Then create a broadcast. So your internet connection must be good para madali nating ma-prepare ang ating broadcast studio. And voila! Ayan. So this is your dear Mama Bear. So nakikita natin that it is time to check your camera and your microphone. So if this green bar is moving upward, that means that your mic is in good condition. You can actually mute naman your microphone if it is necessary to mute it. And then you can also disable your camera and choose your avatar kung ayaw ninyong naka-on ang inyong camera. For me, I wanted to start my camera. And then enter broadcast studio. After that, this is what you will see in your broadcast studio. No? So, you are preparing how the layout will look like kapag nag-live stream na kayo. Now, meron ditong mga comments button, banners. Ayan. So, if you would like to have a banner sa inyong StreamYard screen, so yan, meron na ako naka-ready. You can create your own banner if you want. Alright, and then for branding, so ito yung mga pwede ninyong ilagay. Yeah, theme, logo, overlay, video clips, or background. So let's go back there. Now, at the bottom part, okay, makikita ninyo that we are not yet part of the stream yet. No? So hindi pa nakikita dito yung ating camera screen. So we just add this screen to our stream. And voila! Mama Bear is there already. Hello, everybody. Now, welcome to our test broadcast. It's also seen down below. Yan ang ating magiging banner. Now, how about if we're going to add our PowerPoint presentation? Okay, so this is how. Listen. Now, you have to just click on share. And then we have to choose share screen. After that, we have to go to our application window. Oh, so since wala pa dito yung ating PowerPoint, we have to run our PowerPoint application in our background. So yan, just have to click on F5. And then let's go back to our StreamYard tab. And then we have to do it again. So reminder that your application, if you wanted to share it, it must be running in your window. Alright, so there you go. You just have to click it and ganyan na magiging itsura. Gusto mo makita yung sarili mo habang pine-present to. Am I right? So, if you wanted to do that, just click on the Control-Alt tab again and then go on with your StreamYard application, and that's how it will look like. Okay, so again, Control-Alt tab. Okay, and then click on the StreamYard application. And then, so yan na ang nasa stream natin, no? Stream layout natin. Now, actually, we can start going live and view it on YouTube. So, we're going to start to go live. And yan, so we are already live. We can view it in our YouTube channel. So view on YouTube. Let's wait for a moment. So your internet connection really must be good, especially when you are doing a live stream. Okay, so ayan, and ayan na, kita na natin ang kita na natin ang ating live stream sa YouTube. And we can also have, our live chat. At pwede tayong bumalik kay Streamyard if you wanted to edit anything in your broadcast. So, ganun lang kadali gamitin si Streamyard. Yes, so you can also do it. If you have questions, you can comment down below your questions. And if you are requesting something to Mama Bear, pwede naman gagawa natin ng paraan. Just message me through the comment section below. So that's it. We can stop sharing and end the broadcast. If you found this video helpful, please click like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell for updates.